Hello everyone, welcome to ProBuse Consulting Service Private Limited. With offline mode, technicians can continue working with their field service tasks even when there is no internet connection. First, let's log into the application. After entering the login details, we can access the field service mobile application. The application then asks for the MPIN. Enter the MPIN to securely access the application. Now we are inside the application. Now, let's test the application in a real offline situation. I will turn off the internet connection on the device. As you can see, the device is now offline. We will continue using the application without an internet connection. My task. Let's start with My Tasks. The tasks that were already available in the application can still be viewed while we are offline. We can open the task list and review the available assigned tasks without connecting to Odoo. This allows technicians to continue checking their work even when they are at a location with no network connection. All tasks. Next, let's open All Tasks. The available task information can also be viewed here while the device is offline, so the technician can continue reviewing the available field service work without an active internet connection. Planning. Now let's check the Planning section. The technician can continue viewing the available planning information while offline. This helps the technician understand the scheduled work and plan their activities even without an internet connection. Calendar. Next, let's open the calendar. The technician can also view the available scheduled tasks through the calendar while offline. This gives a quick view of planned work for different dates. So far, we have checked My Tasks, All Tasks, Planning, and Calendar, all while the device is offline. Task detail. Now let's move to the most important part of our offline demonstration, the task detail. I will open one of the available tasks. Even without an internet connection, the task details are available on the device. Here, we can view important information such as the task name, project, customer, planned information, assigned users, time, and other task details. At the task detail screen, technicians can also add images, videos, attachments, and audio recordings while working. Start timer. Now let's test the start timer feature while we are offline. I will start the timer. As you can see, the timer has started. The action is handled locally, so the technician can continue tracking their work even without an internet connection. Stop timer. Now let's stop the timer. The timer is now stopped. The offline action is saved and will be synchronized with Odoo when the internet connection becomes available again. Task stages. The technician can also work with the task stages while offline. For example, we can move the task through its field service stages, such as To Do, Planned, In Progress, and Done. The stage change is saved locally while the device is offline. This allows the technician to continue updating the task without waiting for an internet connection. The application updates the task status locally, even though we are still offline. This action will also be synchronized with Odoo once the internet connection is restored. Reconnect to internet. Now we have completed our offline demonstration. Let's turn the internet connection back on. The device is now connected to the internet again. The pending offline changes can now be synchronized with Odoo. Show Odoo backend. Now let's check the same task from the Odoo backend. Here we can see the same task in Odoo. The changes that we made while working offline are now available in the Odoo backend. This keeps the technician's mobile application and the Odoo backend synchronized. The technician can work in the field first, and the information can be synchronized when the internet connection becomes available. Final summary. So, this is how offline mode works in the field service mobile app. Technicians can access their tasks, view planning and calendar information, open task details, track time, update stages, and mark tasks as done, even when there is no internet connection. Once the internet connection is restored, the pending changes are synchronized back to Odoo. This makes the application useful for real field situations where internet connectivity may not always be available. Thank you so much for watching.